Today we are diving into a super useful feature on your iPhone that can help ensure your safety and give peace of mind to your loved ones. So what exactly is check-in? Simply put, it's a safety feature in the Messages app that lets you share your trip details with your friends and family and automatically notify them when you reach your destination. Let's walk through how to enable and use this feature. First, launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign next to the Messages bar and select More. Select Check-in. When using this feature for the first time, tap Continue twice. Choose either limited or full for location permissions, then tap Continue and send a check-in. By default, you will be sharing the location of your home. Tap Edit to choose a different location. Set your destination and travel mode. You can adjust the area radius and estimated travel time. You can also set a timer based check in if you are meeting someone at a familiar location. Finally, hit the send button. The recipient will get a notification about your check in. When your friend receives a check in for the first time, they will see a banner explaining the feature. After that, they will get notifications even in silent or DND mode. Remember, this feature uses end-to-end encryption to ensure your privacy. If anything goes wrong during your journey, check-in prompt you to update your status or automatically shares critical details with your contact. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.